Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to view deleted photos on Android and understand where your removed pictures are stored. This video will help you quickly find, restore, or permanently delete photos. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your gallery or photo apps on your phone. This can be Google Photos or your default gallery app, and it is where all your images and videos are managed. Step 2, tap the trash option at the top. This section is also called Recycle Bin on some phones, and it temporarily stores deleted photos for a limited time. Step 3, here you can see your deleted photo. This view helps you check which pictures are still recoverable before they are erased automatically. Step 4, if you want to undelete or restore any photo, tap and hold that photo, then select Restore from the top so the picture goes back to its original folder. Step 5, or if you want to delete any photo, permanently tap and hold that photo and select Delete. This removes the photo forever and frees up storage space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more useful phone tips and tutorials.